Yeah, I have been monetized and have gotten paid by YouTube for the first time. And I'm here to share the news with you. Maybe at the end, it will motivate you. Okay? This video is of different sections, and each section has important information for you. So if you want to grab everything, you need to stay to the end. Before this video, I have watched a lot of videos on how much YouTube pays or the first YouTube paycheck of some creators. And today I'm here to tell you my own. So and I know that it will help you and it will motivate you if you have not been paid before by YouTube. Yes. Before then, let me introduce myself. My name is Uzochukumai, actually. So I'm from Anambra State, Nigeria. Godwin Tech is a brand name I choose for myself because God wins over every situation, in every situation, and I want to win with Him. So understand that, okay? Then my journey, I started this YouTube channel in December 2022. Yeah, when I left my 9 to 5 job to focus on self publishing fully. All right. So at a point in December, I decided, okay, let me try YouTube to see how it looks like. So I kept on learning in the process. I learned a lot of things, how to edit video, how to upload, how to chapter videos, and the rest. I kept on doing that. For the first 6 months of publishing on YouTube, I was hardly getting up to 100 views in a day. But something changed in the 8 months. Until now, I have been grinding on this platform. Okay? So it wasn't easy at the beginning, but if you stay, you will make it happen and you'll be happy about yourself. Then I kept on going. Then in a year and 8 months of being here, I got fully monetized. That was on September That was on August 5, 2024. That means it took me a year and 8 months to reach that. But what is important is that your guy is now making money and is being paid by YouTube. So without taking much of your time, let's get to my studio to show you that thing that brought you here. And after that, I'll go into advising you on little things that matter on this platform. Okay, my web browser is open, so I'll visit studio.youtube.com to log in and access the analytics. Okay. All right, this is the dashboard. So the next step is to click on analytics for me to show you what you need to see. This is for the last 28 days. So this is not what we need here. So I'll click on revenue tab. Okay, then on this revenue tab, I need to select the range at which I want to see. Okay, let's start from month to month. So I'll click here and select the month of August. I told you I was monetized August. So I'll select this. So as you can see from here, from the first day of August, no any second, third until 5th. Okay. So my first day of getting monetized on YouTube, I earned $3.64. Okay, followed by $3.40, then $3.39. And it's kept on going like that. Some days is down, some days is up. For example, on August 12th, I earned $11.70. Okay, so and so on until the highest day of that month of August, was on August 28th, 2024. And on that day, I earned $4.44. And for the whole month of August, I earned total of $71.39. Okay, so let's proceed to the month of September. So I'll click here and then select the month, which is month of September. On the first day of this month of September, I earned $2.71. That's on Sunday, September 1. Then followed by $2.17. It kept on fluctuating. Some days are up, And this day, which is September 5th, 2024, I earned $5.46. All right. So it kept on going like that. And the highest earning day in that month of September was $4.86. No, the highest earning day was this $5.46. Sorry. So, but this is second, okay, to it. Then on the whole month of September 2024, I was able to earn $80.57. And for you to get paid, you have to accumulate at least $100. So that of month of August, which was the first date of the first month of getting monetized, I wasn't paid that particular month. All right. So they summed up everything and then they paid it to me on the 21st of October, which is this month I'm shooting this video. In fact, I have spent some of the money, but some are still remaining. So if we should sum this, okay, let's use this to select custom range for you to see the summation of the 2 months, okay? So here it should be 8, which is August, August 5th, then that's till September 30th, okay? Okay, this is September 30th. I will click on 30th and click on apply. All right, so for these 2 months, you can see I earned $151.96. But I wasn't paid all this money because of tax. All right, so let's go and take a look at how much they paid me from this YouTube earnings. So here I will click on this AdSense for YouTube. And you can see the last payment reads $128.54 from $151.96. Why is this? Because Nigeria, which is my country, does not have tax treaty with the United States. And US is the second viewers in the chart of the people that views my long form videos. US is second, all right, after Indians. So let's see how much tax they took from me that made this happen. So I'm going to show you how you can find out the location, different locations, different countries that earn you money on YouTube. Click on analytics. On this analytics space, select revenue. Then click on see more. Then let's select the range that we want to see the earnings from different locations. And here we are looking at, we are going to go with custom option. Then we are starting from August 5th to September 30th. All right. So I will change this to 8, which is the month. Then I will select 5th here. Then 9 is September. All right. So I'll change this to 9. Then click on 30th. Then I'll click on apply. Then the next step you need to take is to click on geography. On this geography page, click on select secondary metric. Then more metrics. Then click on estimated revenue. All right, then you scroll down. You can see different countries. Notwithstanding that I have a lot of traffic views, 95%, 95,000 plus views from India, because most of those viewers from India were consuming shorts the more. I earned only $4.73. Then US with 13,000 views, they view mostly my long form videos, then earn me $84.53. So earnings from this developed country, when you get views from these developed countries, you will earn more. Okay, look at United Kingdom. It gave me $14.04. And they just got only 4,000 views on my videos. Then followed by Canada. Canada gave me $9.05. with just 2,713 views. All right. So the locations, if you have viewers from UK, United States, and some parts of Europe, you make more money. So this is an important factor you need to consider. Okay. Then what we need to do here is from this $84 53 cents, we are going to calculate the tax rate on this. And the tax rate YouTube is using is 24%. So any views from United States, any earnings from United States, 24% of it is taken for tax. All right. So let's go and use my calculator to find out about this. All right. So look at my calculator. I will click on it. Okay. Then, if you can remember, we are working with 84.53. All right. Sorry. 84.53 times 24%, times 24 divided by 100, okay, which is 20.29 approximately. All right. That means the tax on this earning from US was $20.29. All right. So let's deduct this value from $151.96. So I will type 151.96, all right, minus 20.29. I think that was what we got, equals to $131.67. But I got paid 128. So it's possible there's a little, discrepancy, some charges that maybe I didn't know about, but it's close. So this is how you will find out how much YouTube is going to pay you after you earn a lot from them. But for countries in US, Canada, UK, South Africa, in Africa doesn't have tax treaty with United States. So if you're from that location, you're not going to be charged this much for tax. But in all, thank you, YouTube, because it's something. All right. You have seen my earnings, and the question is, what is next? I have a piece of advice for you, and I know it will help you if you are yet to get monetized or start earning on the platform. And that first thing I want to tell you is that YouTube is hard. But when you understand how the system works, you will gain it at the end. The platform wants to see your commitment, and that's why you may upload video for the next 5 months and nothing happens. So by the time they notice that this guy is committed or this lady is committed and is putting his much, that's when they will start showing your videos to more people. That's the message you need to understand. They want to see your commitment. So if you have done YouTube before and abandoned the channel and you're like, I want to start again, just understand that your commitment is what they need. Don't come here and drop a video once in 2 months. No, you can be dropping video on weekly basis, maybe 1 or 2 videos. They want to see your commitment. It's not everybody that is favored that maybe they upload their one video, their first video, and they get maybe 100K views. It's not everybody that have that opportunity. On a larger percentage, many grind here for a long time. They grind here for a long time before they were able to be noticed by the platform. So be committed to it and you will make it in time to come. Another point is you need to learn along the line if you want to get monetized and start earning from YouTube. Learn along the line, watch a lot of videos on YouTube or in education, YouTube education. You will learn a lot, and from there, you know what works at a particular point in time because algorithm changes. Yes, YouTube algorithm changes over time. So it's by watching the videos of these guys that issue tutorial on how to grow on YouTube, including me, because I do that, that you will excel on the platform and start making money too. Then another thing is be patient. Don't rush it, okay? It's a gradual process. Time will come when those videos you did in the past we start getting a lot of views. All right, so that's one thing people don't know. They think that if you publish it, will just go viral immediately. No, in most cases, it doesn't work like that. Anytime, sometimes if the videos you published a year ago, 2 years ago, pick up from nowhere, and you will start making money from those videos too. Okay, so push on. Another thing you need to know is create what people want to watch. For example, on this channel, I answer daily question on tech. I answer some questions that tech lovers want to know, or people that work in organizations. You want to know how to use Microsoft Team. You want to know how to screen record in Microsoft Team. You want to know how to share your Microsoft Teams video, screen. I answer those questions. So I answer daily questions that people are searching for. Or you want to know how to use Microsoft Word. If you type it on search engine or even on YouTube, my own me sure, because I have a video on that. Okay, you want to update your BIOS, your PC BIOS, how to update it. I have it here. So if you know what you know that people want to watch on daily basis, focus on that. All right, when you focus on that and create more of that, before you know what's happening, your money will be growing. I am growing because I believe that in the next 3 years, I'll be making something more tangible from this platform. So don't just focus on what you want to create, focus on what people want to learn from, what they want to know, and you will make your money from there. And lastly, be a fighter. I am in Nigeria. All right, as I said before, I am a Nigerian and I'm in Nigeria. Currently, as I'm filming this video, there is power shortage. There is no electricity supply. But for the fact that I have that fighting spirit in me, I have my ring light here, I have my ring light here, and I have the lead lights here. My ring lights are connected to my power bank, the two ports of my power bank. Then this one, the LED light is connected to my computer because I wanted to dish out this content. So when you become a fighter, no matter how the situation is, that is not whether the situation is not conducive, you have to fight to dish out content because it's important to you. You want to make money, you want to grow, and you want to be happy. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech and also YouTube education and self-publishing. So learn from me and make your money in time to come. Okay? Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If you have questions, just drop that in the comment section and I will answer you. To learn on how to grow on YouTube and understand how the YouTube system works, you need to watch this video here. Thank you.